friends, Running Kimono here. So it is Monday, October the 30th, and we are talking about Walgreens curbside pickups. But the first piece of business that we're going to address is this. 7 back when you spend 25, the digital booster. It showed up on Sunday night like midnight-ish. So go to your digital coupons folder and load it right away. It's of a one-time use. Definitely you can apply them to these curbside deals if you wish. And these are always your mileage may vary. Not everybody gets the same ones. I don't work for Walgreens, so please don't shoot the messenger. I don't have control of who gets these and who doesn't. Okay, so what is curbside? You're basically ordering this stuff through your cell phone, a desktop computer, or your tablet, hitting the button on the left-hand side with the red check, and driving to the store and picking up your order. And they're lovingly called curbside deals. Now, if you are more of a tactile shopper, you like to shop in store. Yesterday, I did a little haul where I was like, moonwalking through the different aisles and showing different deals. If this is more your speed and you love the register rewards, this is the video to watch. And register rewards can only be earned in store deals, not curbside as well. If you could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful. It takes a second to do and it really helps me out. And if you have not, subscribe to my channel. Would also make my Monday. Okay, so deal number one, just a bunch of odds and ends for this one, curbside. We are going to be grabbing 3 of these Oral-B floss picks at $1 each. Might be a harder one to find, but if you can line it up, definitely 3 in a basket. And we're going to load our best friend, which is a 5 off of 3, and this will get reduced down to the cost. And we are also going to throw in 1 of these NEUTROGENA bars for $3.49. And we have this digital coupon. It is a just for you, but if you might have it, you're buying the same offers as I, you probably have the same one. $3 off, making it 49 cents. We're grabbing 1 of the Charmins for $5.49 and then 1 of the Dawn Power Wash for $4.99. $2.50 Charmin. Load this guy, like what a generous coupon. And then for our best friend, the Power Wash, we have a $2 digital. So make sure you have this guy loaded as well. Now, just to show you the pretty little chorus line of digital coupons coming off, boom, 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 boom. The code WAG10 for an extra 65 cents off. If you can't get WAG10 to work as a promotion code, log out of the app, log back in. Hopefully that will work for your big savings. The overall total is $16.97. As we have $10 in digital coupons, we've already met the threshold of the $10 basket, so we should be able to pay that $6.80 and coast right through the checkout. If not, you might have to add an extra toilet paper to get you past that. You'll be $3 short from the, you gotta spend $10, but this should be fine. I would use $5 in Walgreens cash, pay $1.80, and call this a really great basket of stuff. Okay, so the next deal that we're going to look at, deal number 2, and a lot of us are trying to do little odds and ends Christmas shopping. We have the Vera Wang Princess Body Mist. I have never tried this, but anything by Vera Wang, I know they have the samples and stuff at Kohl's. It's always a really nice product, so I'm excited to try this. It is $10.79 on a buy one get one 50% off. So 2 of them is $6.18. We have a $3.50 off and a $2 digital. So make sure you have both of those loaded. I think it makes a great little Christmas item. So just to show you the digital coupons, $2 off, WAG10 taking another $7 off, and $3.50 off right there. IBOTTA is also giving back $2 for each, so that's $4 back with the IBOTTA app. I absolutely love all the apps. This is my favorite. If you have not signed up for IBOTTA, check out the link in the notes. When you submit your first qualifying receipt, if you're a new sign up, you get an extra $10. So it's a fabulous app. Sign up today. Okay, so the overall basket, $16.18. $7 with the promotion code WAG10, tax $5.50 in digitals coming off. So I would use $10 in Walgreens cash, pay 52 cents. Make sure you get a receipt when you get to the store. So you're going to have to ask the cashier, can you ring this up through a regular schmegular cash register? If they use the handheld Zebra, you're not going to get a receipt. You need that receipt for IBOTTA. So a little piece of homework for you. Okay, so deal number 3. We're going to be grabbing something kind of embarrassing, but if you've ever had, foot problems, you know that this is something you need in your stockpile. Two of these gold bonds, $6.49 a pop. Load this digital coupon, which is a $2.50 off. And then there's also an IBC coupon, which is a $3 off. If you've ever had foot pain or excessive sweating, you know that this is like something you want in your stockpile. Just grab them. We're also going to get two of these gold bond lotions. It's that time of the year where you need to stock up on this sort of stuff. We have a $2 digital. I think there's a couple $2 or $3 digitals for the gold bond lotions. And then we're also going to throw into the basket one of these Burt's Bees with fluoride for $3.50. And we're going to load this digital coupon, which is a $2 off, making that toothpaste $1.50. Okay, we're also going to throw in two of these single rolls of the Walgreens bathroom tissue for $1.58 to get the math to balance. Looking at all of the digital coupons, here's your chorus line, and I could use Oct15 for $1.84 off because my basket was $25 or $26.74. So IVCs and Oct15 taking $7.84 off, free curbside pickup, $8.50 in digital coupons coming off. So I didn't have that $10 mark, so that's why I had to throw in those toilet papers. So $11.53. You know what I personally would do? Throw in $10 in Walgreens cash and pay $1.53 and have a bunch of meat and potato things for your stockpile. Okay, so deal number 4. We're going to be grabbing everybody's favorite, the massive 150 ouncer of the Purex laundry liquid for $9.99. Load this $2 digital coupon, and you don't know when you might need a big thing of laundry detergent for your stockpile. And IBOTTA, my best friend, is giving back $2 for one of these massive detergents. So this is why I love this app when you can just line this sort of stuff up. I mean, it's fantastic. We're also going to throw in two of these NEUTROGENA bar soaps, and they're in a buy one, get one 50% off. So that's $5.23. We're going to load our friend, which is a $3 off of one. I mean, we'll take it, right? And we're also going to have to throw in this guy to get the math to balance, a toilet paper. If you want to grab some candy, some cheaper candy, go for it. But I always throw in toilet paper. So we have our NEUTROGENA, the Purex, and WAG 10 coming off. So there's a little bit of math. And the grand total, $16.01, WAG 10, free curbside pickup, $4.61 coming off in digital coupons, $11.15. I would use $10 in Walgreens cash. Make sure you get that receipt, photograph it to IBOTTA to get your $2 back, and call this a very smart basket. Okay, so this final deal is in-store only. You got to do it within the next 3 days. It is to grab a men's Gillette razor for $12.99 and a ladies' Venus at $5.74. Now, you got to do this in store because there's a magical 3-day register reward printing when you buy $15 plus of certain P&G products, and this is part of it, the Gillette and Venus. Load this digital coupon, which is a $3 off for the men's. Unfortunately, we don't have one for the ladies, so sorry, guys. So looking at the math for this, two of those razors is $18.73. Subtracting your one digital, pay $15.73 out of pocket, get back a $5 register reward, and this is taking place right up until November the 1st. And then $8 in Walgreens cash. So it makes it $2.73 for the two, or $1.36 per. Now, do you use your debit card or can you roll some Walgreens cash with this? I do not know, and I will not be able to test this probably until maybe later tonight or Tuesday. If anyone goes out to the store and tries this, let me know in the comments down below if you have success or not. But this has yet to be tested. And remember, we're doing this one in store. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.